Alright, so I have some good news for people who are living in the Exynos region and want to get the Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra. As you already know, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is getting a new updated Snapdragon processor, the Snapdragon 865 Plus, the first chipset to do over 3 GHz of clock speed. But unfortunately, they have not updated the Exynos processor, meaning they are using the same Exynos 990 chipset found on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Since there is a performance gap between the Exynos 990 and Snapdragon 865, people are worried that since Samsung is using a new overclocked Snapdragon chipset on the Note 20 Ultra, the performance gap will only widen with the 990 and 865 plus. But it looks like they may not be entirely true. According to a new rumor, the Exynos 990 inside the Galaxy Note 20 do will not be the same as the chip inside the S20 series model. Rather, it will be a heavily optimized version to the point it has the same level of cooling as the Snapdragon 865 Plus, all the while delivering the same level of performance. It's like the Exynos 990 Plus but without any rebranding. Exactly how this is going to work out in the real world is anyone's guess, but I hope this rumor is true. It's coming from someone we have not heard in the past, so I would not bet too much on this. But it is possible that Samsung has optimized the Exynos 990 a little bit. By the way, I hope Samsung has actually managed to lessen the performance and efficiency gap with its counterpart this time and not the other way around. Either way, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next ones. Peace out.